6-ring ceiling light installation tutorial. This tutorial is available with multilingual subtitles. You can enable subtitles for various languages. Next, we will demonstrate how to set subtitles in the language you need. Step 1. Click on Captions to turn on the subtitles. Step 2. Click on Setting. Then click on Captions. Choose Auto Translate. And then select the language you need. Step 3. Press play on the video, and you'll see the subtitles in your chosen language. Here are the subtitles in the language you chose. How to assemble the light. This display shows all the accessories included with the product upon receipt. There are 3 different lengths of tubes for installation on the rings. Long threaded end, short threaded end. Install the shortest tubes on the largest rings to rings. Thread the wires from the ring through the tube and tighten the short threaded end to the ring. Attach the medium-length tubes to the medium-sized rings to rings. And the longest tubes on the smallest rings to rings. Install the rings on the base plate. First, install the 2 rings with the shortest tubes onto the base plate. Find the appropriate positions for the rings and secure them with nuts. Followed by the 2 rings with medium-length tubes. Find the appropriate positions for the rings and secure them with nuts. And finally, the 2 rings with the longest tubes. Find the appropriate positions for the rings and secure them with nuts. Connect the wires from each ring to the collector. Tip: wires can be inserted into any hole on the collector. How to install the light on the ceiling. The model of the light used in the demonstration may be different from the one you purchased, but the installation method is the same and can be used for reference. Place the bracket, ensuring the 2 small holes on the base plate align with the bracket. Mark the positions of the 2 holes on the bracket. Use nuts to secure the flathead screws to the positions marked on the slotted bracket. Please make sure that the flathead screws are fully tightened and will not loosen. Use an electric drill to make holes in the ceiling, and then use pointed screws to install the slotted bracket onto the ceiling. Connect the neutral wire and live wire of the adapter to the room wiring. Make sure to connect the corresponding cables to the respective household cables. Lift the light, and then pass the 2 unused small holes in the base plate over the screws on the slotted bracket. Finally, tighten the screws with nuts to secure them. After receiving the product, please assemble it according to the above tutorial and test whether it works normally after connecting to the power supply. Once confirmed it works properly, proceed with the ceiling installation. How to pair the remote control with the light. First, install 2 AAA batteries into the remote control. When the light is connected to the power supply, it will light up. Under normal circumstances, the remote control and the light are already paired at the factory, and you can use the remote control to operate the light directly. If the remote control cannot control the light, as shown in the video, and the light does not respond when you press the remote control's any button, then you need to repair the remote control with the light. Here are the steps. Within 5 seconds of turning on the light, briefly press the pairing button. If the light flashes twice, it indicates that the remote control has successfully paired with the light. Note: if pairing is not done within 5 seconds of turning on the light, the pairing will time out, and you will need to restart the light before attempting to pair again. How to unpair the remote control and the light. If you no longer want to control the light with this remote control, here is the unpairing procedure for the remote control. Within 5 seconds of turning on the light, press and hold the turn off button for about 3 seconds. If the light flashes 3 times, it indicates that the remote control and the light have been successfully unpaired. If you want to use the remote control again, you can perform the pairing process mentioned at the beginning. Remote control function instructions. Short press this button to turn off the light. Short press this button to turn on the light. Long press or short press the brightness -K to decrease the light brightness. Long press or short press the brightness plus key to increase the light brightness. Long press or short press the K key on the left side to increase the color temperature, gradually shifting to cooler light. Long press or short press the K key on the right side to decrease the color temperature, gradually shifting to warmer light. Short press this button to switch the light's color temperature. Switch to cool light mode. Switch to natural light mode. Switch to warm light mode. Short press this button. The light adjusts to half brightness mode, with the brightness at 50% of natural light. Short press this button. The light adjusts to full brightness mode, with the brightness at the maximum level of natural light. Short press this button to switch to sleep mode, adjusting the light to 10% brightness of natural light. Short press this button to set a delayed shutdown. The light will flash once, indicating that it will automatically turn off after a 2-minute delay. App Pairing Tutorial. Scan the QR code to download the Lamp Smart Pro app to your phone. Before opening the app, please ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Note: the app requires continuous Bluetooth connectivity for full functionality. If the Bluetooth connection is interrupted at any time, the app's features will cease to operate, necessitating a reconnection to Bluetooth. Open the app and allow Bluetooth access. Add a device name for easy switching control. Since this app can be used with various models of lights, adding a device name makes it easier to manage the lights. Turn on the light, and within 5 seconds, click the pairing button. The light will flash twice, indicating that the app has successfully paired with the light. Note: if you do not initiate the pairing process within 5 seconds of turning on the light, the pairing will time out. You will need to turn off the light and turn it back on again, then continue with the pairing. App Unpairing Tutorial. If you prefer not to control this light with the app, you can do so by clearing the pairing. Turn on the light, press the pairing reset button within 5 seconds, and if the light blinks 3 times, the pairing is successfully removed. Following this, the app will no longer be able to control the light. App Function Instructions. Preset Mode. We offer 4 preset modes that allow you to quickly adjust the lighting to the appropriate scene according to your needs. Custom Mode. If the preset modes of the ceiling light do not meet your requirements, you can manually adjust the settings and enter a custom mode. Warm Light Mode. This mode provides a soft and warm tone of light, suitable for rest, relaxation, or social activities. Cool Light Mode. This mode is suitable for activities that require more visual brightness, such as work, study, or tasks that require high concentration. Natural Light Mode. This mode offers even and natural color temperature, suitable for various activities like reading, everyday lighting, or general use. Night Light Mode. This mode provides very soft and low-intensity lighting, designed for nighttime illumination, particularly suitable for bedrooms. Brightness Adjustment. Slide this bar to the right to increase the brightness of the light. Slide this bar to the left to decrease the brightness of the light. Color Temperature Adjustment. Adjust the color temperature by clicking or sliding the pointer on the disc. The pointer moves left for cooler light and right for warmer light. Timer Mode. You can set a timer for when to turn off the light. The light will flicker once, indicating that the timer is set successfully. Note: after the timer is set successfully, you cannot switch the light mode. Otherwise, the timer will be invalidated, and you need to reset it. After 1 minute, the light will automatically turn off. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. The functions of the two buttons shown in the diagram are not applicable to this model of light. Please ignore them. Thank you for watching.